Welcome. Today, we will explore how to mark a chat as unread on Gmail with the latest updates. Let's walk through the steps together. To begin, open the Gmail app on your Android device. Once you're in the app, locate and tap on the chat icon at the bottom of the screen. This will bring up your list of recent chats. Next, within the chat list, long tap on the sender's username for the chat that you want to mark as unread. This action will highlight the chat and reveal additional options. Now, look for and tap on the Mark as Unread option among the menu choices. By selecting this option, you indicate that you want to mark the chat as unread, ensuring you revisit it later. By following these simple steps, you can effectively manage your chats on Gmail by marking them as unread to keep track of conversations that require your attention. This feature helps you prioritize and organize your communication efficiently. Thank you for tuning in to this tutorial on how to mark a chat as unread on Gmail. Stay tuned for more insightful tips and tricks to enhance your email experience.